What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and welcome to another episode of Study Break, where you get to take a break from your busy life to break. On today's episode, we're gonna be training our pilot freezes, getting them nice and strong. And again, if you guys know, pilot freeze is one of the basics to a lot of breaking moves, a lot of power moves, and so it is very useful for us to have this nice and strong. At this point, you should know how to do a basic pilot freeze, so if you don't, make sure you guys check out that video first before continuing. Now, before we start, if you guys could do me a huge favor and gently tap the like button, as it'll help us get this video around and get a lot more views and support for this channel, right? If you guys wanna support this channel on a deeper level, you guys could join my Patreon as a supporter, or you could hop into my training group where we do monthly workshops. Lastly, you guys could support by grabbing one of these t-shirts on my merch site listed below. All right, without further ado, let's get down to the floor. All right, you guys, like I mentioned, you guys need to know how to do a basic pilot freeze so that you can do this training. You do not have to have a really strong one, but you do need to have a basic pilot freeze, meaning putting your hands down and leaning to here. Okay, so to start, we are gonna go to the basic position, okay? And we're just gonna hold it for 10 seconds, okay? I want you guys to be able to just feel comfortable, find that balance, okay? And we're gonna lean over. And before we put our head down, I want you guys to kind of calibrate, make sure that your arm is straight, okay? And when your head goes to the ground, again, same thing, calibrate, making sure this wrist is nice and strong, going straight up, and your hand is here. And let's go ahead and just straighten our legs so they're freezing just like this. Okay, again, this arm is just for balance, but I want you guys to be able to just hold this position nice and still. Let's hold it for 10 seconds. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, nice job. Again, relax your wrists, roll it out. Pilot freezes are rough on your wrists, so really take it easy, roll it around, because we definitely want to avoid injuring our wrists at all costs. Okay, so really make sure that your wrist is nice and straight. Okay, let's go again. Ready? Reaching down. Head goes to the floor, legs out, and this time let's lift this leg up. Again, it doesn't have to go super high, but lift it as high as you personally can. And let's just try to find our sweet spot, find a spot that we feel comfortable in, keeping our legs straight, making sure that our arm is still straight off the ground. And let's try to hold this. Ready? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Relax, roll your wrists out, roll them the other way, roll your shoulders, roll it back. And now let's go again. Ready? Reaching down, hand goes here, reaching down, legs out and up. And what I want you guys to try to do this time is lift up your leg, your hand, and find balance, okay? Balancing just on one hand. And if you need to, if you're not comfortable with this, just keep it down and maybe lift to your fingertips and go back down, and maybe get to the point where you could feel comfortable just putting like one finger down. And if you can, you could go ahead and lift up, put on your hip, and let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Relax, you guys. Again, our whole goal is we want to have this freeze, this position really strong. We don't want to have to like struggle while we're in it. We want to be able to be in it and, you know, be able to like hold it no problem. That way when we swing into like a windmill or anything like that, you know, that form is pretty easy to us. Okay? This next one is we're going to try our best. We're going to lean our leg as far up as we can, and we're gonna try to lift our legs off the ground. Now, if you can't do that, if that seems like out of this world, too crazy for you, don't worry. I want you guys to, again, just hold that position that we just did. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Reaching over. Head goes down, legs out, lift your leg up, and lift up the bottom leg. And let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job, you guys. Okay, so lastly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go through a couple of weight changes, all right? So we're gonna go through this little sequence, and I want you guys to just do it with me, just like this, okay? So it's gonna go like this. We're gonna have our legs together. This is 1, okay? This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5, okay? So one more time, the legs are together. This is 1. This is 2. 3. 4. And 5, okay? If you could do these with your legs off the ground, that is great. If you can't, you do it with your legs on the ground. Okay, this is our last one for our first arm, okay? Here we go, reaching to the side. And again, this is how we're gonna start. And it goes here, 1, 2, 3. And then if you can't lift your leg up, just bend it here, 4. And last one, 5, okay? This one, if you guys could do it in the air, let's do it in the air. Ready? We're up, like this. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job, you guys. So again, just working through moving our legs, getting comfortable. And again, if you can't hold it for that long, don't worry. Just put one foot down, okay? Now that we have that, we're gonna now move on to our less strong arm, our more uncomfortable arm, right? This is something that's really important. Like I mentioned in previous videos, it's important for us to have balance. And I know you're probably gonna do your freezes more on this one arm, but we need to have the ability to do both. So let's work on it, right? Let's go ahead, going down, reaching our hand down, going into this position, and let's go ahead and go into our basic pilot freeze with our legs straight. And let's just hold this. Again, core tight, arm is straight, just kind of calibrating, having our hand in our nice balanced position. And let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, get a deep breath, breathe out. And let's go again, one leg up, ready? Reaching over. And it goes here. Legs are straight, and you lift up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, like I mentioned, you guys, make sure you're actively kind of calibrating, making sure that this wrist is straight, making sure that you're not in a funky position where you could potentially damage, right? You want to find that sweet spot that works good for you. All right, you guys, let's go again. This time, lifting our hand up. Ready? And we reach it down. Same position. And again, like I mentioned, you could go to your fingertips, or to one finger, or to here. Here we go, holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Really getting that balance. And again, remember, the easy version would just be using your fingertips or even your inner knuckles to support, so that you're gradually shifting that weight off. Okay? Roll your wrists, roll them the other way, roll your shoulders, roll it the other way, roll your neck around, other way. And here we have it. We're gonna try to lift both of our legs up off the ground. And again, if you're not ready for this, keep one leg on the ground, but we really want to work on holding this. Ready? Let's try it. Reaching down, lift your leg up as high as you can, lifting this leg up, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, nice job, you guys. All right. Now, lastly, our last little routine. Remember, we're gonna start with our legs together. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Roll your wrists. Make sure they're not too sore. And let's go ahead and get started. Ready? And reaching over. Legs down. Okay, here it goes. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to try with your legs up, again, we're going to start like this. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you guys, and that has been our pilot freeze training. Hopefully you guys feel a little bit sore in your arms and your core, right? This is what we're training. We're trying to get this stronger so that we can hold this freeze. We have a strong foundation for future moves that we're gonna learn. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, and please leave a comment about what video you wanna see next. What kind of move you wanna learn, what kind of step, all that stuff. What do you wanna train? Okay? If you guys wanna support this channel on a deeper level, make sure you guys hop into my Patreon. You can join as a supporter, or you can join my monthly workshop. Make sure you guys cop this shirt or one of my other mini shirts on my merch website. All right? Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.